So this is a 2-minute Thursday video, and the place is called Melt. It's one of the places I've been going for a decade now. I always come here for their macaron ice cream sandwich. I basically tried every one of their macaron ice cream sandwich, and I gotta say the Fruity Pebble one is my favorite one. So we're gonna have to go give it a try right in front of you guys. Here for the ice cream sandwich. So as I said earlier, I always get the Fruity Pebble one, and that's exactly what I got this time. Coloring's a little different. It's a little more red. Red and pink. I remember when I had the Fruity Pebble, I had a little green shell back in the days. It's been over 2 years due to COVID, but we're finally back. And what did you get?
I got their macaron, red velvet macaron ice cream sandwich with red velvet ice cream and as well as a red velvet macaron.
This is like the best macaron ice cream sandwich around that I know of in California. If you guys know any other ones, let me know in the comment below. But let's give it a try. Cheers.
That's so good. I like how the macaron is still really chewy, because a lot of times for macaron ice cream sandwiches, the macaron itself becomes really crispy, but this is really chewy.
The Fruity Pebble flavor is definitely there. And how's your red velvet?
Oh yeah, you can taste like chunks of red velvet cake inside of the ice cream, so that's awesome.
Yeah, definitely my go-to for macaron ice cream sandwich. Also, even the ice cream tastes like Fruity Pebble. Super good. So if you're a Fruity Pebble or a very strong sweet fan, this is probably the one you want to get because it's super flavored in there. It's super sweet.